Also, we're sure to set aside any floor mats to be cleaned later, and any decorative items that may prove a hazard while cleaning. While pre-vacuuming, we're sure to pay special attention to the nooks and crannies of your vehicle that are often overlooked. Our specialized tools are designed to make quick work of any seen and unseen soils that are often left behind by consumer-grade machines. Next, it's time to treat any spots that may be present within the vehicle. Utilizing our own custom-made in-house chemicals, we're sure to cut through the grime, loosening any deeply embedded soils, which helps ensure removal when it comes time to clean the affected area. Afterwards, it's time to pre-spray and agitate. By paying close attention to heavily soiled areas, using our high-impact pre-spray solution, and following up with our thorough agitation with a horsehair brush, this helps guarantee the most thorough cleaning possible. When tackling floor mats, we like to step it up a notch by using our truck-mounted inline spraying system, which is designed to break up tar, grease, and oils that are typically found on very heavily soiled areas. Once thoroughly agitated, it's time to get to cleaning. Our handheld dual-flow system allows for high heat, powerful suction, and unrivaled deep cleaning ability. By utilizing our one wet, two dry method, it helps avoid overwetting issues that are typical with inferior methods and shoddy equipment. This virtually guarantees that your fine automobiles, boats, and RVs will look their absolute best, and with our lightly scented cleaning solution, they'll smell great too. Afterwards, it's time to clean and sanitize your vehicle's hard surfaces. This is a very important step that is regrettably often overlooked. Dead skin, body oils, and sweat build up over time, as you can see here, and these surfaces require just as much attention as the rest of your vehicle.